Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Brother DCP-T730DW printer to Wi-Fi. First, look at the control panel of your printer and press the Wi-Fi button once. After that, the screen will show Find Network. Press the OK button to continue. The printer will now search for available wireless networks. Wait until your Wi-Fi name appears on the display. If you have multiple networks in your area, use the plus and minus buttons to scroll through the list and select the correct Wi-Fi network. Once you have selected your network, the printer will ask for your Wi-Fi password. Enter the password carefully using the plus and minus buttons. Make sure all letters, numbers, and symbols are entered correctly. After entering the password, follow the instructions shown on the screen. The printer will ask you to confirm the connection. Press the plus button to select Yes and continue. The printer will then connect to your wireless network. Wait until you see the message confirming that the connection is successful. Next, take your phone and open the Brother Mobile Connect app. If you do not have the app installed yet, download it from your device's app store. Inside the app, tap the Add Machine button and follow the on-screen instructions to add your printer. Once the setup is complete, you will be able to print and scan wirelessly from your mobile device. Thanks for watching.